and welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, I will be making something easy but yet scrumptious. I am making cookie brownies, honey, but not just any kind of cookie brownies. With bacon, bourbon, and pretzels. You guys are going to want to try this. They are super delicious. Now, I did take the shortcut, easy way. I did go to the store and purchase my cookie and brownie mix because I'm going to add some other fun stuff with it. All right, guys, let's get started. So I have some pretzels here, and what I'm going to do is stick them over into my food processor, and we're just going to pulse these until we get it like we don't want it like powder, but just at a good consistency that we're looking for. So we're going to put this together and just pulse it, because you don't want them too finely chopped, because you still want that crunch and that bite in them. I believe that is good enough for these lovely pretzels. Yeah, because I still want some bite in them. Really? Guys, sometimes the funniest stuff happens when you're cooking, and it's okay because it's good to have fun while you're cooking. Cooking doesn't have to be boring and a chore, honey. You can make it fun. All right, next I'm going to take this bacon. I've already pre-cooked it. I put it in the oven and just let it cook down. So we're going to do the same thing with these bacon. We're going to make little bacon bites, honey. And I'm going to set this on top. We're going to do the same exact thing, just a little pulse. I do believe that is good enough. All right, since that is going into the cookie mix, I'm going to go ahead and just dump our cookie mix right in this bowl. This bacon smells amazing. I love, 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 love bacon. All right, we're going to take these little dangerous blades out of this time. Last time they just fell out, huh? I hope you all are having a happy Thursday. So we'll get all of this in here. All right. And we will set this right on over out of the way. Well, let's get these blades. We'll put them back in here because, honey, we don't need them out cutting up our hands and stuff. Alrighty, so I can get this out of the way as well. Alright, so next we'll set this to the side, move this over, and deal with our main brownie mix. Okay, and this mix here is my brownie mix. Okay. Alright, so we're going to pour this right on in here. Now, I could have made this totally from scratch, but I decided to make it just a little bit easier for myself, honey. And for you all that don't feel like going all the way from scratch, sometimes it's just easy to just go to the store, grab a box of mix, and put it together. All right, guys, I am going to take 1 egg, and I'm going to stick it right in here. I am also going to take 1/4 of a cup, well, actually 1/2 cup of this butter. All right, that looks about right. And instead of water, I am adding 2 tablespoons of bourbon, honey. Yes, let's kick these brownies up a notch, honey. Let's make them good and delicioso. All right. So I am just going to mix this up really nicely. I can smell the bourbon, honey. All right, honey, we're gonna take these pretzels and just put them, they're gonna go at the bottom. And just mix that all the way in really nicely. And put it in the bottom of this pan. All right, next I am going to get my cookie mix, and I'm going to put the remainder of my butter inside of this one with the bacon and the bourbon. Gonna put one of these in there, and it's a wrap. You know what? Let's get all this goodness, honey. I believe in all the flavors coming together. Honey, we're not gonna waste any butter. We're gonna get all of this butter in this pan here. You're just gonna mix that up. We're going to get ready to add this in. I've already greased my pan. I put down parchment paper so that this does not stick and they come out very easily. Now, I have my oven on 325. That's what this recipe actually calls for. I will leave a description at the bottom telling you exactly which one I use so that you buy the right cookie mix. Although I think it's by, I believe it's Betty Crocker. Honey, she always has something good on the menu. Alright. And so now that you're finished with that, you're just going to take your cookie dough and put it right over the top. Now, I love to dabble in a lot of new things. Like I've heard of the bacon and bourbon and bacon and pretzel this and bacon and bourbon that and pretzel. I said I'm going to put them all three together, but I'm going to make a brownie because that's pretty unique to me. It may not be to everybody, but to me it's unique. And because I know flavor, I believe it'll be absolutely scrumptious. All right, guys, I'm going to stick this in the oven, and I'll be back to show you the finished results. All righty, we are getting ready to slice up our brownies. I'm going to use my pizza cutter to make it a little bit easier. Stack them right here. Give it that old tasty root. And yeah, guys, it's going to be fun. Okay, guys. I have my brownies plated up, and I can't lie to you, I've already been tasting them. It's always so fun to try something exciting and try something new. Alright, guys, these are pretty good. I really like bacon, so yeah. Alright, guys, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys. Bye. Yeah, that's different. I like that. Oh, you just couldn't wait, could you? See, guys, you can't wait to taste it. Come on, come back and tell them how you like it.
It's good. I already got some bacon. Feel me? It's chewy. It's fresh warm brownie, so it does taste good.
All right, guys, you heard it.